Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to create tasks in HubSpot CRM from Facebook lead ads. So as a business owner, I'm running some Facebook lead ads for my own business. And here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically a task for the same should be created in my HubSpot CRM account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Facebook lead ad with my HubSpot CRM account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here on my screen you can see my Facebook page that I have with the name Prime Properties. And here I'm running some lead ads to generate new leads for my own business. So here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically a task for the same should be created in my HubSpot CRM account like this. So now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Facebook lead ad with my HubSpot CRM account using an automation software. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation to understand the entire process more clearly. So now here to see the working of this automation, what we are going to do is that we are going to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ads. And now here to generate the test lead, we are going to use the lead ads testing tool by Meta. So now here to generate the test lead, let me take you to the lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is the lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I've already selected my page and my form, and this is the lead form that I've created. So here I've already pre-filled some details such as the type of property, first name, last name, email address, phone number, street address, city, state, and the zip code. So now here after entering some dummy details, we are going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead over here. So let's go and check our HubSpot CRM account. And here we are going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new task with the name follow with the dummy user. And here you can see the entire task details. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Facebook lead ads with your HubSpot CRM account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and here before moving forward, let me all tell you about the Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners, and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows, and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on this sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see our Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly such as Pabbly Connect, Pabbly subscription billing, Pabbly email marketing, Pabbly form builder, Pabbly email verification, Pabbly hook, and Pabbly chart flow. So you can see one software with so many useful applications. So in this video, we are going to integrate our different applications such as Facebook lead ads and HubSpot CRM, and for that we are going to use Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given over here in the top right corner. And then here's asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the another one is classic. So basically beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this newly launched feature that is beta version by clicking on the select button given over here, and then a create workflow dialog box has appeared in front of us. So it is asking me to give a name to my workflow, so I'm going to give the name as create task in HubSpot CRM from Facebook lead ads, and then it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as Facebook lead ads. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here. And it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard. And here to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this Create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So we're going to click on this add trigger button, and here as you all know that I'm receiving new leads through Facebook lead ads. So we're going to select our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our app event as new lead instant. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account. Then you're going to click on this continue. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Facebook account. And here if you also wish to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Facebook account in the same browser. Or else if you're building a new connection, it is going to ask for the account details of your Facebook account, such as username and the password. And once you're going to add the details, automatically your account is going to get connected with Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move forward. Here it is asking me to select the page name and the lead gen form. So here I've already shown you that I have my page with the name Prime Properties. So I'm going to select that particular page over here, that is Prime Properties. And then here for the lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. So in my Meta Business Suite under lead ads form, you can see the form that I've already created with the name Lead Form New. You can create your own lead form as per your requirement. So in this case, I'm going to use this Lead Form New. So I'm going to select the form name from this drop down menu. So this is the form. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now after selecting the page name and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me all take you back to my lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one, because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button given over here, and it says your lead has been deleted. So we are going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. Alright, so again we are going to select our page that we have with the name Prime Properties. So we're going to search for the page, and here we're going to select the form as lead form new. Then we are going to click on this preview form. Alright, so this is our lead form, and now here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So for the type of property, I'm going to select rental property. Here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytudes.com. Here for the phone number, we are going to enter a random phone number. Then here for the street address, we are going to enter 123, city as Bhopal. Here for the state, we are going to enter the state as Madhya Pradesh. And here for the zip code, we are going to select the country code of India first, and then here I'm going to add a random zip code. Then we are going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a new response where we have received the type of property, first name, last name, email address, phone number, street address, city, state, zip code, and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically I want to create a task for the same in my HubSpot CRM account. So for that, I'm going to add an action step over here. Here I'm going to select my action application as HubSpot CRM. And my app event as create a task engagement. Then we are going to click on this connect, Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your HubSpot CRM account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with HubSpot CRM. And here you can see Pabbly Connect is requesting me to select the account. So I'm going to choose the account over here first. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So again, it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my HubSpot CRM account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you are already logged in your HubSpot CRM account, or else it is going to ask for the account details such as the email address and the password. Alright, let's move forward. Then here is asking for the task subject. So we are going to add the subject as follow up with. So here I've manually entered this text because here I want that this text should remain same with all the task subject, and then here I'm going to enter the lead's name. So now here, instead of entering the lead's name manually, here we are going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here we are going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when you're going to receive new leads through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the lead's name, we are going to map the first name first, then we are going to enter a space, and then here we are going to map the last name. So this is the task subject, and then comes the task body. So here we are going to add the rest of the lead details such as the email address. So I'm going to add the email address first, and here we are going to map the email address, then we are going to enter a comma, then we are going to add the phone number. Alright, so we are going to map the phone number over here, and then we are going to enter a comma, and then we are going to add the city as, let's add the colon everywhere. Alright, so here we are going to map the city as well, and lastly I'm going to add the interested in. So these are the basically very important details of my lead. So I have entered all the required details, and with this we have successfully completed the task body as well. Let's move forward. Here for the status, I'm going to select in progress. You can select the status as per your requirement from this drop down, and then here these fields are not required fields, so we are going to leave it blank. Here for the priority, I'm going to select high only, and as active I'm going to select true. You can select it as per your requirement, and again these fields are not required fields, so we are going to leave all of them blank. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new task in our HubSpot CRM account for the new lead received to our Facebook lead ad. So let's go and check it. Here we are going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new task with the name follow with the test user, and here you can see all the task details. So with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Facebook lead ads and an action as HubSpot CRM, so that when you're going to receive a new lead through a Facebook lead ad, then automatically using the lead details it should create a new task in our HubSpot CRM account for the same. Alright, so these were the steps to how to create tasks in HubSpot CRM from Facebook lead ads. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.